So most of you have already claimed the swags of the Google Cloud Arcade Challenge Cohort 2 2025. In case you haven't claimed yet, you can just check out the playlist which I have linked in the description box. How to claim your swag, step-by-step guide is here, some common queries are there, and all-in-one guide related to all the updates are mentioned over here. I'll share the link to check it out, and if you want to participate in the Google Cloud Arcade, how to join, how to get cool goodies, I have also covered that video also. I linked it in the description box. Now coming to the main topic, most of you are asking that how we can update the size a chart without mailing the support team. So here is the video guide. Let's cover it. First of all, this is the chart. Okay, so this is the chart for white squaring. If you want to get it updated for the printo, I'll talk about it in the later part. Do not worry. In this video only. So first of all, you have to check. You have to click on the same link in which you have received the price, means with which you have placed the order, and the dashboard will look like this. Here you'll see a pencil icon over here. If you are able to see, here is the pencil icon. You have to click on it. Then after that, a OTP will be sent to your email, the email which you have used over here. Okay, there you have to enter the email, and after that you can update the address. Coming to the next thing, that is the size. Okay, so what I said, you have to enter the email OTP. So here you have to just click on send OTP. When you will click on the pencil icon, it will ask to just send OTP. You have to simply click on the send OTP. Then you will be getting a 6-digit OTP on your registered email address, not mobile phone number. Registered email address that you have to enter. After that, the dashboard will be updated depending on what you want to update, whether you want to update the t-shirt size, or maybe you want to update the address. You have to do all the changes and then just submit it. Remember, this is for limited number of times. You cannot update multiple times. So before just opting for this option, make sure you cross verify, write the correct address, write the correct size, and then only submit it. Here is the size chart for the white square in Hoodie. You can just check it out. And if your query regarding the printos, mainly the trooper tire and the novice tire, then there is no facility of editing. If you are able to see, you can comment down below, but as of now there is no facility. You need to just mail to them. Okay, mail them to this email that you want to update your hoodie. This is for all the people who by mistake ordered the sacks but were unable to place the t-shirt hoodie size, means sorry, t-shirt size only, because in Novice and Trooper there were only t-shirt size. So you place the order without the t-shirt and they don't know about your t-shirt size. So you can just mail to that email ID, this email ID, okay, printers one, and then update your size that this is my size. Okay, if you want the size chart, let me just show you the size chart also. So this is the size chart for the t-shirt. You can just measure it and update it. Okay, this was the quick update I wanted to share. If you still have any doubts, do let me in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.